Hey makers, it's Charlotte and I'm here today with Matt, our in-house skin and hair care expert. Today we're going to be talking to you about a very important topic, and that is how you can make soft or hard claims about clinically backed data and the efficacy of your skincare products. Matt's gonna walk us through a couple of different soft and hard claims, which ones you can and cannot make, and give you a better understanding of how to properly label your skincare products. Matt, take it away.
Great, thanks Charlotte. So I know this is a really pressing concern for a lot of small business makers, and they want to know, what can you say about the efficacy of your product? So what you can claim comes down to the differences in the amount of support that have been performed to show the efficacy of this product. If for products that are making hard claims like this on the left, it says it causes 3 times more hydrated skin on the next morning. This was actually a clinically tested product that went through rigorous FDA-approved trials and was reviewed by a clinical scientist to allow them to make these claims. On the other hand, you have soft claims, like on this bottle you see it says grow strong and repair hair. Those are kind of more generalized claims that don't have a specific numerical or indicative value of their efficacy. These are just as great too, and these actually come into play when you don't have clinically backed data, but you have strong scientific support, whether it be from prior literature or studies on comparable materials. That would be kind of your differentiation, and on the website, we'll be sure to mark any hard and soft claims you can make about any active ingredient in the product description, so you can feel free to browse those and decide what fits your product best.
That is awesome information, you guys. I hope you were taking notes. If not, you better save this video somewhere, because that is some gold nuggets of tips there from Matt. So Matt, one more question for you. When it comes to skincare products, one of the main skincare concerns that we covered in one of our other videos was about acne and blemishes. So obviously we know this is a top concern when it comes to skincare products. On this specific topic, what can and cannot our makers claim about having an acne control product?
That's a great question, Charlotte, and I know many of our makers are gonna have the same question. So for the terms of American cosmetic products, the term acne is actually an FDA-regulated claim that refers to FDA monograph materials. Most common is salicylic acid. So if your product doesn't contain salicylic acid at monograph levels, you cannot claim acne, and instead you'd want to go with a blemish type treatment or a blemish cleanser. And in many cases, consumers will view those kind of the same as well.
Super helpful. So if you guys are looking to make hard claims, check out our website, review our active ingredients, and be sure to review the percentages that you need to use them at in order for them to be efficacious. And if you'd like to make a soft claim, as Matt said, like grow strong, then be sure that you are using ingredients that have solid scientific information on if they are intended for this purpose or not. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks.